Today we will be making Bhindi Masala. Bhindi Masala, mine is a very simple recipe. So what we need is bhindi, 1 tomato, 1 onion, large onion, 4 garlic, turmeric, fish curry powder, salt and coriander powder. So what we will do first is fry the bhindi. So I already heat up the oil here. So we will fry the bhindi first. While cooking the bhindi masala, you have to keep on stirring so it cooks thoroughly. So another 3 more minutes, our bhindi masala will be cooked. Bhindi will be cooked. Sorry. Now the bhindi have thoroughly cooked, the lady's finger. So we will take it out in the container here. Okay, after this, what we will do is we will blender the onion and the garlic. We will put some water. We'll add some oil in the pan, a bit of oil. Now we will put the blended ingredients. We will add in the tomatoes. We will put in the salt. We put in the turmeric. The coriander powder, around 1 teaspoon. And the fish curry powder, we will put 1 tablespoon. Now we will let it cook until the oil separates. After cooking for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the oil have come up. This is when you put the bhindi. Here you go, bhindi masala is done. Do try this recipe and do comment on my channel. So how do you find the recipe? And I hope you will enjoy bhindi masala.